what's up? It's your boy 360 Jeezy, and today in this video, listen, I did a transformation cut. He wanted a lot of the bulk cut off of the back. He wanted a high taper. I changed this man's whole look, all right? He came in and showed me a picture of a video that I did before. I'm saying when they come in and show you a video of a video that you did, it means something, you know what I'm saying? So hey, check this video out. It's a big transformation. Make sure you stay tuned. If you like the cut, make sure you give it a thumbs up. You're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button right now. I'm waiting. Don't mind my face. Stay tuned.
Where you get your beats? HustleDreamProduction.
Alright you guys, so with this hairstyle, I'm basically gonna be taking a lot of the bulk on the sides off. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna basically part the hair at the parietal ridge. I'm gonna set in my duck clips, and if you guys don't know where the parietal ridge area is, it's basically the area where the top meets the sides, all right? Right there in that point area where I'm at. When setting in your part, you basically wanna have an idea what hair wants to go which way, all right? So when you're parting that hair, make sure that the hair naturally wants to fall down or be pinned up. So next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my shears and basically just cut off all of this bulk on the sides. Keep in mind that in my mind, I'm thinking about the shape that my client showed me. Building more shape by clipper over combing, just knocking off more bulk on the sides. Basically, my client is gonna have this flared out look. I'm keeping a lot of the bulk that's on the top because it's gonna give the hair on top something to sit on. Now with the 2-guard with the lever closed, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scoop out, all right? I'm taking more bulk off the sides. He wanted a kind of a 2 on the sides to blend into that bulk at the top, still keeping it flared out. Now that I have pretty much the shape that I want, I'm gonna work on the taper. Right now, I'm taking off bulk on the sides, basically to start off this high taper. Next, I'm gonna use my Babyliss FX trimmers to set in my bald line. Now, I'm gonna be very precise on how I set my bald line in, because I'm gonna go in a rainbow-like shape. After that, I'm gonna go in with my Stylecraft instincts with the lever fully open, and I'm gonna go up about a ½ inch, maintaining that rainbow-like shape. Same thing, putting on the 1-guard with the lever open. I'm going up, using my comb as a way to feed the hair into the teeth of the blade, going up about a ½ inch, going over the guidelines multiple times to ensure that it's at that length. With the 2 guard on, with the lever open, I'm just scooping out, making sure everything flows into the bulk on top. Now, I like to work my way back down. I put on the 1 guard with the lever open, and in a flick out motion, which is a different motion than setting in a guideline, in a flick out motion, I'm flicking out using my corners, that area between the 1 and the 2. So taking baby steps on the way down, all I did was close that lever and I'm softening up that middle line in a flick out motion. Now that that area is nice and softened up, you could throw on your 0 guard with the lever fully closed and in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. So like I said about taking baby steps, whatever that 0 guard closed don't take out, I usually go behind it with the lever open and just kind of detail that area. Next, in a flick out motion with the lever fully closed, flick out that bottom line. Now, keep in mind that you want to start below the line, flick to the line, and use your corners the entire time. If you need to adjust your blade as you go up. Now I'm gonna add another transition by making the bottom half razor bald by using my Stylecraft Rebels. And lastly, what you want to do is do some detail work. Detailing is everything, man. It separates you from being just an average barber. What I like to do is I like to utilize my mirror. The mirror shows you a different perspective on the blend than just seeing it head on. Sometimes you get wrapped up in the blur of the blend and you need a set of fresh eyes, along with just taking a break from looking at the blend for like a couple of seconds, come back to it. That's another tip. Now when it comes to the back, I use the same exact steps. I go in with my bald line, then I'll go next with the lever open using my Stylecraft Instinct. Then I'll put on the 1 guard, go up about a 1/2 inch, 2 guard, take off some of that bulk, come back down, 1 guard, clear out that bulk between the 1 and the 2. Then I'll close the lever and soften up that middle line, put on the 0 guard, take out that middle line fully, then drop back down to the lever close and in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Then lastly, detail your work. So now I'm taking out my duck clips and basically I'm gonna saturate my client's hair with water. I'm gonna part the hair down the middle and basically take off the proper length that my client wants because he still wants curls at the top. So we're only gonna be cutting off probably 2 inches. Me to create his front line. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna part it, basically take about a 1/2 inch from the front line, bring it down, and one thing you want to make sure is that you parting it at the parietal ridge area. All right, that's gonna make it look a lot neater and more even when you're creating this front line. So with every lineup that I create, I always like to take it down to a 1.5. All right, that's with the 1 guard with the lever open, because at that length, to me, it gives the most crispiest line. Listen, let me tell you why they call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in a full 360, and they come out looking like
God did.
YouTube. This is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, Hustle Dreams Production, that's my brother. He does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Make sure you guys go give him a follow. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My TikTok is official360